Hey adventure seekers, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck in the middle of nowhere with dead devices, or wished you could bring modern comforts to your campsite, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the game-changing Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2, the absolute king of solar panels and batteries for camping. Stick around because this might just revolutionize your outdoor adventures. Let's go. Are you tired of being disconnected from the world during your camping adventures? Do you want to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing modern conveniences? The solution lies in having the right solar panels and batteries for camping, and the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 with 2x200W solar panels is here to revolutionize your outdoor experience. In today's digital age, staying powered up even in remote locations has become essential. Whether you're an avid camper, an RV enthusiast, or someone who wants to be prepared for emergencies, having a reliable power source is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. That's where the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 comes into play, offering the perfect combination of portability, power, and sustainability. Unmatched power and portability. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 is a game changer in the world of portable power. With an impressive 2042 W capacity and 2200 W output, this power station can handle everything from charging your smartphones and laptops to running small appliances. What makes it stand out is its incredible portability. Weighing just 39.5 kilograms, it's 41% lighter and 34% smaller than conventional 2 kW for portable power stations. Thanks to the innovative cell-to-body (CTB) technology, borrowed from electric vehicles, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 maximizes space efficiency while offering superior stability and safety. This means you get all the power you need without the bulk, making it the perfect companion for your camping trips. You will find the link to the product in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel for more epic outdoor gear reviews. Versatile charging options. One of the biggest challenges when using solar panels and batteries for camping is the charging time. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 addresses this with multiple charging options. AC. Charging. Power up to 80% in just 66 minutes. Emergency Super. Charging mode. Achieve a full charge in 102 minutes. App activated. Solar charging. Fully charge in 6 hours with the included 400 Wh solar panels. Silent charging mode. Get a full charge in 5 hours at just 30 W. Perfect for overnight charging without disturbing your sleep. This flexibility ensures that no matter where you are or what the weather conditions are, you'll always have a way to keep your power station charged and ready to go. Uninterrupted power supply for peace of mind. Imagine you're in the middle of a camping trip and a sudden storm hits. With traditional power sources, you'd be left in the dark. But with the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2's 20 ms seamless switching technology, you'll never even notice the power disruption. This feature, combined with its UL 1778 test certification for uninterruptible power systems, guarantees reliable backup power and protects your critical devices. Why the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 is the best on Amazon. When it comes to solar panels and batteries for camping, the market is flooded with options. So, what makes the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 stand out from the crowd on Amazon? Superior technology. The CTB technology used in this power station is cutting edge, offering better space efficiency and safety than competitors. Longevity. The Durable Life PO4 battery provides up to 10 years of performance, outlasting most other portable power stations on the market. Eco-friendly. Unlike gas generators, the Jackery Solar Generator runs silently and produces no fumes, making it a clean, safe, and environmentally friendly choice. Multiple ports. With 3 AC ports and a USB-C PD 100W port. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously without needing extra adapters. All-in-one solution. The package includes everything you need: 2x200W solar panels, AC charging cable, and the Explorer 2000 V2 power station. You will find the link to the product in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel for more epic outdoor gear reviews. Real-world applications for camping and beyond. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 isn't just for camping. Its versatility makes it perfect for RV trips. Power your appliances and devices on the road. Outdoor events. Keep the party going with music, lighting, and more. Emergency preparedness. Be ready for power outages and natural disasters. Remote work. Set up your office anywhere with reliable power for your laptop and other devices. Small businesses. Keep essential equipment running during power disruptions. Conclusion. Your perfect outdoor power companion. When it comes to solar panels and batteries for camping, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 with 2i200W solar panels is in a league of its own. Its combination of power, portability, and versatility makes it the ideal choice for anyone who wants to stay connected and powered up during their outdoor adventures. Don't let power limitations hold you back from exploring the great outdoors. With the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2, you can have the best of both worlds: untamed nature and modern convenience. It's time to elevate your camping experience and invest in a power solution that will serve you for years to come. Ready to revolutionize your outdoor adventures? Get your Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 today and never be left in the dark again. Wow, what an absolute beast of a power station. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 seriously blows the competition out of the water when it comes to solar panels and batteries for camping. If you're serious about off-grid power, this is the investment you need to make. Remember, smash that like button. If this helped you out, drop a comment below with your camping power horror stories, and for Pete's sake, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next game-changing gear review. All the links you need are right down there in the description. Until next time, stay powered up and keep exploring.